Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to do italics. So I will create for the example text with the paragraph tag. Okay, example 1, italic, and then I will create again example 2, italic, and the next example 3, italic. For the first, you can use the idiomatic text tag. Okay, like example, I will create in here. You can type I, and the next, I will move to the back italic word. You can click File, Save. You can open in browser. So we create the italics in this word. You also can use the emphasis tag. Okay, you can type in here for the EM, and then move against this code tag into back from the italic word, and click File, Save, and refresh. So create the italic word. If you want to create all text into italic, you can use the style in here, style, and choose the font style, this option, and then choose the italic. Now you can click File, Save, and all text will be italic. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to do italics.